I still remember the freezing rainy Tuesday I spent dragging 2 massive bags of soaking wet clothes across 3 blocks because my building's shared laundry room was out of order again. Standing in that sketchy laundromat, watching my money disappear into a machine that smelled like old gym socks, I knew I needed a home solution. But shopping for a portable washer is a nightmare of confusing capacities, cryptic error codes, and leaking water hoses. Today, we're looking at the best Black+Decker portable washers, ranking them from 6 to 1, including a top choice that changes everything. Six, Black+Decker BPWM09W. When I first unboxed this incredibly compact unit, I was genuinely impressed by how lightweight and easy it was to move around, making it seem like the ultimate dream for anyone living in a tiny studio apartment or looking for a reliable laundry solution inside an RV. The physical setup was remarkably straightforward, featuring a clean white exterior and a small, user-friendly digital control panel that gives you quick access to 5 distinct wash cycles and 3 water level choices to customize your laundry routines. It even comes with a clear viewing lid so you can watch the agitation process happen in real time, which provides a bit of peace of mind when you want to make sure your clothes are spinning correctly. During my hands-on testing with this 0.9 cubic feet model, the quiet operation of the electric motor was a major highlight during the initial wash and rinse cycles. It hums along softly in the background, allowing you to watch television or take a phone call in the same room without feeling overwhelmed by mechanical noise. The stainless steel drum is gentle on delicate fabrics, ensuring that your lighter clothing items like undergarments, thin t-shirts, and socks are thoroughly cleaned without getting frayed or stretched out of shape by the internal pulsator base. It connects easily to a standard kitchen or bathroom faucet using the included Quick Connect adapter kit, drawing water efficiently and draining smoothly into your sink basin without requiring any specialized plumbing knowledge or permanent household modifications. Five, Black+Decker BPWM16W. This unit represents a step up in size, offering a moderately larger washing drum that aims to bridge the gap between extreme portability and practical everyday usability for small households. When I rolled this machine into my test space using its built-in rear wheels, I noticed that the extra capacity immediately allows for more realistic load sizes, making it far easier to wash small bundles of casual clothes or a modest set of bed sheets without needing to break them down into miniature piles. The control layout is expanded here as well, providing a highly legible LED display screen alongside multiple wash programs that cater to varying fabric weights and soil levels. In terms of functional performance, this 1.6 cubic feet model does a commendable job of circulating water and detergent through your fabrics to lift away surface dirt and everyday stains. The heavy-duty plastic exterior feels solid enough to withstand the bumps of regular movement, and the inclusion of a convenient delay start feature allows you to program your wash cycles to begin at a time that aligns perfectly with your daily schedule. For general items like gym clothes, cotton tops, and lightweight shorts, the agitation pattern provides a thorough clean that mimics the performance of a traditional stationary washing machine quite well, giving apartment dwellers a true sense of laundry independence. Despite these positive attributes, our extended testing period highlighted a few critical drawbacks that potential buyers need to consider before making a final investment. The most prominent issue centers around the sheer volume and vibration generated during the final spin phase of the laundry cycle. Four, Black+Decker BPWM20W. From this point forward in our countdown, we start seeing a massive leap in overall stability, refinement, and user satisfaction, starting with this beautifully balanced 2 cubic foot workhorse. Testing this machine felt like a breath of fresh air because it finally delivers the substantial capacity that a couple or a small family needs to keep up with daily laundry demands without taking up an excessive amount of floor space. The physical design strikes an ideal sweet spot, maintaining a manageable footprint while incorporating a highly durable, premium-grade stainless steel wash basket that handles larger volumes of clothing with absolute grace. What really impressed me during our test cycles with the 2.0 model was how smoothly and effortlessly it transitions between the heavy wash agitation and the high-speed spin extraction. The internal suspension system is vastly upgraded compared to the smaller models, which means it absorbs structural vibrations beautifully and keeps the machine rock steady, even when you throw in a heavier load of thick bath towels or denim apparel. The Quick Connect faucet adapter snaps onto standard household spigots with a reassuringly tight seal, eliminating the annoying leaks and water spraying issues that plague lesser portable models. The cleaning power is deeply satisfying, leaving fabrics thoroughly rinsed free of soap residue and remarkably dry by the time the spin cycle concludes. Three, Black+Decker BPW30MW. This impressive appliance pushes the boundaries of what a portable washing machine can achieve, offering a massive 3 cubic foot drum that completely transforms your home laundry experience. When I put this machine through its paces, I intentionally loaded it with bulky items like heavy winter blankets, large bedding sets, and multiple pairs of thick work trousers to see how it would respond under pressure. To my delight, the powerful internal motor and advanced pulsator system rotated the heavy fabrics through the soapy water with incredible ease, ensuring a deep and uniform clean across the entire load. The user interface on this 3.0 model is exceptionally intuitive, offering a comprehensive suite of customized wash programs, water level modifications, and precise temperature controls that give you total authority over your garment care. Despite its large capacity and robust cleaning capability, the machine manages to maintain a relatively sleek and narrow profile, allowing you to park it neatly inside a hallway closet, utility room, or a kitchen corner when it is not actively in use. The drainage pump is highly efficient, rapidly evacuating the large volume of used water from the drum so that the spin cycle can spin at maximum velocity, significantly cutting down on the time your clothes need to spend hanging on a drying rack or tumbling inside a dryer. 2. Black+Decker 4.1 cubic feet top-loading washing machine with Agitator. This model represents a transition into serious, full-scale residential laundry power, abandoning the specialized portable design in favor of a heavy-duty, high-capacity traditional setup that can effortlessly ground any dedicated household laundry room. Testing this machine was an absolute joy because it features a classic dual-action center agitator that twists, turns, and rolls fabrics through the wash water with a level of intense mechanical scrubbing action that modern impellers simply cannot replicate. If you have a large family, active kids who love playing sports, or a job that leaves your clothes covered in stubborn dirt and grease, this 4.1 cubic foot beast is engineered to blast those stains away completely. Beyond its incredible scrubbing power, this top loader comes equipped with advanced automatic water level sensing technology, which intelligently measures the exact size of your clothing load and inputs the perfect amount of water required for optimal cleaning, helping you save on utility bills over time. The soft close tempered glass lid is a wonderful premium feature that prevents the lid from accidentally slamming down on your fingers, while also allowing you to look inside and monitor the powerful cleaning vortex during operation. The structural build quality is exceptionally rugged, utilizing commercial-grade components and an advanced vibration reduction system that keeps the massive machine perfectly quiet and anchored to the floor during the most intense wash cycles. Black+Decker 4.5 cubic feet front-load washer. This magnificent appliance sits at the absolute pinnacle of modern laundry engineering, combining an expansive industry-leading capacity with the incredible efficiency and fabric-saving gentleness that only a premium front-loading design can provide. When I conducted our extensive testing protocol on this flagship model, the results were nothing short of flawless, as the tumbling action of the horizontal drum used a fraction of the water and energy of traditional machines while delivering an elite level of cleaning performance that safely preserved the integrity of our finest garments. This 4.5 cubic foot masterpiece features an array of sophisticated options, including specialized steam cleaning cycles that penetrate deep into fabric fibers to relax stains, eliminate odors, and sanitize clothing at a molecular level. The internal drum geometry is meticulously crafted to ensure that clothes glide smoothly along the stainless steel surface, preventing any snagging or tangling while maximizing water extraction during the ultra-fast, high-efficiency spin cycles. The exterior design is sleek, modern, and visually stunning, making it a gorgeous centerpiece for any home, while the whisper-quiet inverter motor operates with such incredible stillness that you will barely even realize the machine is running, cementing its place as the ultimate washing machine investment.